Hi guys, this is just a short video to show you a new figure that I received today. This was ordered last week off Anthony Tsang, who some of you are probably already aware of. If you're not, he's basically a collector in Hong Kong who gives up his own time to send figures that are newly released or hard to find, and basically sends them to us collectors in other countries. So before I open this, I just want to say a big thank you to Anthony for sending this one out to me. You can see it's fine, nothing wrong with it, the packaging, and it's got here safely, no dents or anything, so brilliant. If you'd like to use Anthony's services, then I'll put a link to his Facebook page in the description, and I will also link his YouTube page there as well, because he's got some really good Iron Man displays that you should check out. Right, so let's get on with unboxing it. If I did this as well, you should be able to see the all the bubble wrap that Anthony uses. Put that away for a second. So still loads more bubble wrap in there as well, so it's really well packaged, which is great. And as you can see, it's the Thor Dark World figure, but this one's just the normal edition, as I prefer the look of that one to the other one. The back, front, really nice looking box. Don't forget you get your cape on the inside of the box as well. And there is the figure. I'm not going to take everything out because I am planning to do a review on it sometime in the week, so I will just quickly show you if I can, and then I'll end the video. And there he is. So that's where I'm going to end the video, and I say I'm going to plan to do a review sometime in the week. So again, massive thanks to Anthony. You know, it's come and it's brilliant, so yeah, thanks a lot for that. So that's it, that's the end of the video, and I'll see you next time.